The Lemon List of 2026, Why Your Dream Car Might Be a Science Experiment. I have always found it remarkably optimistic that people walk onto a dealership lot expecting to buy a reliable vehicle simply because the brochure is glossy and the salesman is smiling. It is a common delusion. In reality, some of the most worshipped models of 2026 are being dumped by their owners within months. As the honest mechanic points out, there is a ranking that no dealership will ever read to you out loud. These 12 vehicles are landing in service bays again and again, not because of bad luck, but because someone in a boardroom ran the math and decided that paying out a few warranty claims was cheaper than fixing a fundamental design flaw. From glitchy electronics to engines that literally catch fire, the gap between the marketing legend and the mechanical reality has never been wider. The list starts with the Volkswagen Tiguan, where German engineering often translates to blacked-out screens and a $4,000 transmission bill before the first oil change. Then there is the Ford Explorer, a family favorite that suffers from no fault found syndrome, where the computer refuses to confess to the glitches that leave you without climate control or a backup camera. Moving up the list, we find the Chevy Silverado with its infamous rumble strip shutter and the Hyundai Tucson, which continues the brand's legacy of engines that occasionally decide to seize up due to manufacturing debris. It is a recurring theme: the more screens they bolt to the dash, the more ways there are for a brand new vehicle to betray you. As we climb into the top tier of returns, the failures become less annoying and more terrifying. The Nissan Rogue continues its losing war with the CVT, a transmission that lives or dies by heat and often dies right as you're merging onto a highway. Then there is the Blazer EV, a flagship SUV that was so half-baked the company had to issue a stop sale because the software simply lost its mind. Not to be outdone, the BMW X family remains a masterclass in complexity, turning into a money pit the second the warranty expires. Even Tesla's Model Y and the radical Cybertruck make the list, the former for build quality that lands it at the bottom of industry surveys, and the latter for a laundry list of recalls involving parts literally flying off the truck. But the most heartbreaking return on the list is the Jeep Wrangler 4Z. It is an icon with a cult following, yet this specific plug-in hybrid version has been hit with fire recalls so severe the manufacturer warned owners not to park near their own houses. Imagine spending $60,000 on a forward-thinking vehicle only to be told it might burn your garage down. It is the ultimate example of a badge people adore being used to hide a profit machine that is fundamentally flawed. The truth was always there in the recall filings, but it was buried under decades of brand loyalty and aggressive marketing. So, how do you protect your wallet from these boardroom gambles? First, check your own oil. If it's low and there are no leaks, that engine is drinking oil internally. Second, listen to your transmission with the radio off. If you feel a faint shake at 40 miles per hour, get it documented in writing immediately. Third, run your VIN through the government's recall site yourself, because those letters in the mail are often months behind. And finally, take pictures of everything. Keep a folder of every warning light and every no fault found receipt. In the world of lemon laws, the owner with the folder wins, and the owner who trusted the handshake loses. You must walk onto that lot not as a target, but as the only person in the building who knows where the bodies are buried. Please subscribe so you will be notified of new uploads. Press the like button, it helps our algorithm. Thanks for watching.